Hey guys, this is Junior Trader, and in this video we are taking a look at cryptos. So we'll take a look at Bitcoin. I have been talking about a lot about the potential moves that as we speculated, not just speculated, but the price action as we were talking about. And yes, some speculations that we made that how high can it go, we have gotten to those areas. I'll talk about that in the price action in just a second. We'll then also take a look at Ethereum. I was talking about Ethereum in one of my another channel that I have, Junior Trader Dividend Investing channel, that I want to buy an ETF that we have here. I didn't buy it, but yeah, if I would have bought it, I would be very happy right now. But anyways, that's the name of the game, guys. And then guys, we'll take a look at Mara, Microstrategy, Riot, Coinbase, and all of that. Like what type of moves these things have been giving us, what type of plays can be taken on these. So let's begin. So guys, I'll talk about Bitcoin at the very end so that you stick till the very end. I'm just kidding. But let's get other players out of the way first here. So we'll start off with Mara, and let's talk about the price action here. So it's very simple. Well, check out my video, guys, on my channel that I did yesterday on Bitcoin, Mara, Riot, MicroStrategy, and Coinbase. That will tell you everything quite a lot already. We have been making these moves. I talked about that Mara is still in an uptrend. We have been holding these pivots. And we also got this breakout. Right now, Mara will stay in the bullish structure. It's still in the bullish structure. And you can see we are holding $21. I talked about it in my video yesterday as well, that as long as you're above $21, or even if a pullback happens to $21, most likely it will be bought back up, and you can see we are getting bought back up over there. Structure will remain bullish as long as Mara is above $21 and almost $21, right? And what does it mean? Junior, do you mean if we break $21, time to short? No. Well, it may give more weakness, but we will still remain quite bullish, like until $20. That is still a good strength. Those pullbacks can be bought back up on this as well. So if I take it to the hourly interval, Mara is, guys, still strong. You can see that even today, this sell-off as it's happening, yes, it's looking weaker. Intraday level, it got bought back up, the pullback on this. Structure, guys, this is the structure level too. If we lose $21, then $20 may come, but on swing side, that will still keep it bullish. But yes, intraday downside may come more. But intraday, as you can see, the pullback got bought back up again. According to the swing or intraday plays, you have to identify these areas which I'm here to help you, and I help you in with providing you this education, what to look for, where are the pullbacks, where the structure holding, and accordingly you take your positions at those pivotal areas on the structure with the stop loss on the other side. Decisions are yours. I'm only providing educational opinion here. All right, so yes, Mara structure is still bullish on this thing. All right, we are above $21, and then also $20 is a good support in my opinion on Mara. All right, let's take a look at MicroStrategy. So MicroStrategy has been going up, right? And we have been talking about it that once we formed this pivot and we got above 20 days moving average, structure is still bullish on this. A pull, if any sell-off has to come, that can come on intraday down to the level of $1,523, but that will just constitute as a pullback, and it has a room to shoot up higher again from there. Take partial profits out in these extensions, guys, anyways, right? On hourly interval, we had a sell-off some today, but we got bought back up right now. I mean, yeah, it's a green candle. I mean, if not for today, it's not a short play. Intraday, if you want to continue to play it short, you want to see the rejection at one of these levels and underneath our 20 hours moving average, then it may a little bit slow down. But then I expect this 50 hours moving average to provide it a support. In the other words, right now, structure is on swing, still bullish on this. Intraday, I would suggest trade with the levels. All right, if you see a rejection at one of these levels, for example, you start to see a rejection at up this here, then intraday to the next level short can be played, but not more than that. Trading against the trend or into the pullback is very tricky. So in other words, when the trend has formed, you can wait for the pullback and try to re-enter again, but this was the time to take the position, and this is the time to take partial profits out. The structure is still bullish on MicroStrategy. Riot, guys, is doing a pullback today. The structure on this will still remain bullish as long as we are above $10.50. This is just a pullback happening right now. So if any position is taken, better taken at close to $10.50 with the stop loss below $10.25. And accordingly, because that's the definition of structure. That's what will keep the structure bullish. But if we lose the level of $10.25, then structure will start to look weak again. Coinbase. Coinbase knocked me out. Yeah, it finally got above that 20 days moving average, guys. It finally confirmed this pivot with the bottom supports here. And this has been going up. It's not bearish from where it is right now. Yeah, it's in an uptrend. It can continue higher from here. We are seeing it's holding this blue box pullback as well. Structure is bullish as long as we are above 216 on this. That was the green candle squeeze to the upside. And yeah, that's that. So yeah, I sized out already in this red area. Anyways, yeah. That's Coinbase. Let's take a look at now Ethereum. So Ethereum, guys, okay, here's the thing. Yeah, this thing rocketed up technically, right? So it's not bearish. Now, here's the thing though. It's the technical trade on this, guys. I don't know if pullback is going to come. Bitcoins or Ethereum's cryptos are really hard to predict, especially these cryptos like Bitcoin and Ethereum. Mara, Microstrategy, Riot, and Coinbase, they are still stock-based, ETF-based, stock-based platforms. So they still work great as for technicals. But cryptos, they work great as well for the technicals, structures and the levels, everything. But the magnitude of the moves is very hard to predict, guys. Very hard to predict on these things. So this is like a massive move, right? We got, and right now, guys, structure will remain bullish on this as long as it's above $3,357. Any pullback in this zone is a candidate to be bought back up, and we might get another rally up on this. This is not bearish. I mean, I would be kidding if I say, guys, this is the top. No, this may just give you another pullback and start to go higher up. Yeah, let's see if we can continue all-time highs 4,095 on this. All right, guys, the final thing that you have been waiting for. As if you have been following my videos on Bitcoins from last couple of days, you already know I have been calling out this inverted head and shoulder. After this formation of this green candle, I talked about, guys, any pullback on this to the level of 60,000 will be bought back up. We got that buying happen on this. We got another massive green candle squeeze. And I said that I'm not sure if pullback is going to come, but any pullback on this, if it happens, it's just going to shoot up. And I just talked about yesterday that, guys, the next level to watch possibly is $71,000, 71,810 almost, right? Now that's where you can see we went all the way up there and then started to a little bit sell off. But hey, junior trader, it's time to short now. Well, on the structure side now, structure is still bullish. Again, if you're a really good trader, yeah, you can trade intraday shorts. That's fine. You know, my levels, everything helps in that. But if you are more of a patient trader or you're a directional trader, I like to stick with the direction, guys. Then the pullbacks on this, as long as they don't break below 67,263, first pullback zones on this are candidate to be bought back up. Bitcoin right now is in a full uptrend structure, inverted head and shoulder, right? And we have been higher highs, higher lows. There is no downside on this right now. I mean, I talked about it in my previous videos as well, strong uptrends on Bitcoin here on my channel. Guys, definitely check these out. I did talk about over the weekend as well, Bitcoin bullish momentum with other stocks, right? So on Mara and everything. So yep, things are still bullish on this. In my opinion, any pullback on these are still candidate to be bought back up, and this is not going to turn bearish in my opinion. Any pullback comes, that will be bought back up unless we start to see again any consolidation of such type double top, triple tops, or things sort of that. And then if we start to lose this level, then downside may come. But right now, no, pullbacks on this I think will be bought back up. This very strong, still very strong here. Well, guys, that's it for this video. If you found it helpful and valuable, please hit the like and subscribe. And with that, I'll see you in my next videos, guys. Take care. Bye.